iGB brings people together, which is great for business. It's great making connections and making friends with people.
We can find great new connections and we can already meet with our new business partners.
It's so important to meet people face to face and really establish that rapport that you can't necessarily do otherwise.
It's a really, really fantastic networking event, and ultimately we've got our stand today. The traffic's amazing, people just pop past.
It's always good to catch up with people from the industry and see what type of trends there are in the gaming business.
Want to understand more about what is happening in the business, you must come here.
It's just great to see everybody here again.
The iGB has been great so far, bigger than last year, huge amount of people.
I've not missed any iGB so far.
It's an amazing vibe, it's an amazing atmosphere, amazing event.